Mornings can set the tone for the rest of your day, and incorporating a quick workout into your morning routine can do wonders for your physical and mental well-being. For beginners, a 10-minute workout is a manageable yet effective way to wake up your body, boost your energy, and prepare yourself for the day ahead. In this article, we'll cover why morning workouts are beneficial, the components of an ideal beginner-friendly workout, a step-by-step guide to a 10-minute morning workout, tips to maintain consistency and maximize benefits, why morning workouts are beneficial. Morning workouts offer a plethora of benefits, including boosted metabolism, engaging in physical activity. First thing in the morning jumpstarts your metabolism, helping your body burn calories throughout the day. Improved mood exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. A quick workout can help you start your day feeling happy and stress-free. Enhanced focus and productivity. A morning workout increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, sharpening your focus and preparing you for tasks ahead. Establishing a healthy routine. Starting your day with a workout creates a habit that's easier to maintain than exercising later in the day when other obligations might get in the way. Better sleep patterns. Morning exercise helps regulate your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night and wake up refreshed in the morning. Components of an ideal, beginner-friendly morning workout. A well-rounded 10-minute morning workout should include warm-up, 2 minutes. Warming up is essential to prepare your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of injury. Dynamic movements, 5 to 6 minutes. Focus on exercises that engage major muscle groups to increase heart rate and energy levels. Cool down and stretching, 2 to 3 minutes. End your workout with stretching to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Step-by-step 10-minute morning workout for beginners in warm-up, 2 minutes. Goal: loosen up muscles, increase blood flow, and mentally prepare for the workout. Warm-up routine. Neck rolls, 30 seconds. Slowly rotate your neck clockwise, then counterclockwise to release tension. Shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Roll your shoulders forward and backward to relax the upper body. Marching in place, 1 minute. Lift your knees to hip level while swinging your arms gently to increase circulation. 2. Dynamic movements, 6 minutes. Goal: elevate your heart rate, engage core muscles, and build strength. Dynamic movement routine. Body weight squats, 1 minute. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if sitting on a chair, keeping your chest upright. Return to the starting position and repeat. Tip: keep your weight on your heels and ensure your knees don't go beyond your toes. Modified push-ups, 1 minute. Perform push-ups on your knees for an easier variation. Lower your chest to the floor and push back up, engaging your arms and chest. Tip: keep your core tight and avoid sagging your hips. Standing side leg lifts, 1 minute. Stand straight and lift your right leg to the side, then lower it. Repeat with your left leg. This targets your glutes and outer thighs. Tip: hold on to a chair or wall for balance if needed. Plank to downward dog, 1 minute. Begin in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Push your hips up to form an inverted V shape, then return to the plank position. Tip: keep your movements controlled to engage your core effectively. Arm circles, 1 minute. Extend your arms to the sides and make small circles forward for 30 seconds, then backward for 30 seconds. Tip: engage your shoulder muscles and maintain good posture. 3. Cool down and stretching, 2 minutes. Goal: relax your muscles and improve flexibility. Cool down routine. Forward, fold stretch, 30 seconds. Stand tall and bend forward at your hips, reaching toward your toes. Let your head hang heavy to stretch your hamstrings and lower back. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. On all fours, alternate between arching your back, cat, and dipping your belly, cow. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Sit back on your heels and extend your arms forward on the floor. Hold this position to release tension in your lower back and shoulders. Seated side stretch, 30 seconds. Sit cross-legged and stretch one arm overhead, leaning to the opposite side. Repeat on the other side. Tips to maintain consistency. Set a schedule. Pick a specific time each morning to work out, ensuring it becomes a part of your routine. Prepare in advance. Lay out your workout clothes the night before to minimize excuses. Start small. If 10 minutes feels daunting initially, start with 5 minutes and gradually increase. Track your progress. Keep a journal of your workouts to stay motivated and monitor improvements. Stay flexible. If mornings are too hectic, adapt the routine to another time of the day. Benefits. You'll notice over Tim. By committing to a 10-minute morning workout, you'll gradually experience increased energy levels throughout the day, better posture and flexibility, improved muscle tone and strength, enhanced mental clarity and reduced stress, greater confidence in your physical capabilities. Conclusion: a 10-minute morning workout is a simple yet powerful way to kickstart your day, even for beginners. With consistent effort, you'll find yourself feeling more energized, focused, and ready to tackle your daily challenges. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the transformation that just 10 minutes of movement can bring to your life. Wake up, get moving, and seize the day.